Good morning, girls. In today's Oracle session, we are going to start with a new concept, that is package. Before we start the package, let me give you one more exercise, right? That is related to function. You prepare this function yourself, and hopefully you will be able to create this function by your own. As you can see on the screen, create a function that will take employee number and check that whether that employee exists or not. If the record does not exist with the same number, then display an appropriate message. Let me give you a hint. Here you have to create one function with one parameter only, which will return a varchar2 data type, right? We'll take a begin section, and we will create a query, select name into employee name, where employee is employee number equals to ID. This will return an employee name. Then we will cover exception also. This section we will cover when no data found, as we have to define a function which will display an appropriate message if the employee does not exist. Then for that we have to take exception section. Here exception, when no data found, then employee name equals to null and return employee name, right? This is our function. And PL/SQL block, hint for our PL/SQL block is declare ID number name varchar250 begin ID equals to %ID. We will enter a number of employee from the keyboard, right? Then we will call the function employee detail 1 by passing this ID in it as a parameter. If name is null, then dbms output.put line no employee exists. Otherwise we will print the name of that employee, right? Here we will get is null in variable name when the function will return blank, right? Here you can see that when exception is defined, when no data found, then we have assigned nothing in employee name. At that time we will get null over here. Okay, in case the employee exists with such a number which we had entered from the keyboard, in that case we will get output on the screen in the form of name of employee, right? So this is a hint to you. Now let us begin our new topic, that is package specification. Here package will have two mandatory parts. Number one is package specification, and number two is package body, or we can say definition of that package. So let us cover what is specification of package. The specification is the interface to the package, or we can say prototype of the package. It just declares the types, variables, constant, exceptions, cursors and subprograms that can be referenced from outside the package. In other words, it contains all information about the content of package to be defined, but it excludes the code for the subprogram. Whatever subprogram you are going to define, that code should not available in this package definition, right? Or sorry, package specification area. All objects placed in the specification are called public objects. Any subprogram not in the package specification but coded in the package body is called private object. I repeat, the object which is specified in our package specification, right, that is called public object. And any subprogram not defined in the package specification but still it is coded in the package body is called a private object. Okay, the following code snippets shows a package specification having a single procedure. It is very simple example, right? For the sake of simplicity, here I have taken, or I have defined only one subprogram inside our package. This is our first example of package. You can have many global variables defined and multiple procedures or functions inside a package, right? Let us begin with example number 62. Create package with name emp underscore salary as procedure find salary with its parameters. If you omit these two lines, this one, the first one, and the selected one, if you omit these two lines, then you are aware of this line, right? Procedure find salary eid emp dot emp number percent type. As you have already learned how to define a procedure, this that we have used over here, okay, we have just omitted two keywords which comes prior to the procedure keyword. They are create or replace procedure, right? So now what you have to do is you have to just define that procedure in between these two lines, nothing else. Okay, let us learn how we can create a package with the help of simple example. Here I want to create one procedure inside this package, right? Package is nothing but it is we can say that it is a file which keep sub programs in it. Okay, now when we compile this snippet or when we compile this code, we'll get this output, package created. Let us compile it. Go to your SQL window. Let me clear the screen first. Here you can see the employee salary, this name is already exist, right? It is already created by me. So either we have to drop this package first or we can write create or replace package. Okay, as you can see in the first line, create or replace, you can use these words, create or replace package. The name of package is employee salary, as whatever subprogram you want to define for this package, that you have to specify over here. For this particular example, I want to define a single subprogram, right? So here on the line number 2, I have written procedure find salary with single parameter. Okay, now package body, the second mandatory part of package. Here you can see package body or package definition is a second mandatory part of package. So let us see how to create a package body. The package body has the codes for various methods declared in the package specification. I repeat, package body has the codes for various methods declared in the package specification, right? And some other private declaration which are hidden from the code outside the package. In our current example, we have declared only one method with name find salary, right? We will provide a body for this subprogram. The create package body statement is used for creating the package body, right? The following code shows the package body declaration for the employee salary package created above. See, here we have just declared the package name, but now we will provide the code, actual code that we want to execute through this package. Will define that part in our package bodies, package body. Okay, here I am assuming that you have already table created with name emp in your database, right? So we will write create or replace package body. Package body, this keyword is added by us for creating a package body, right? Now you have to take the same name as you have already taken over here, emp salary. We are providing the body for this package, so employee salary as procedure find salary with single parameter is Now here what we have to do is we are providing or defining a subprogram, right? We are doing the code for this procedure. So everything you have to take or you have to define over here. Procedure find salary EID emp number percent type is ecell emp salary percent type. This is a variable I want for procedure find salary. Begin keyword for initializing the executable code, right? Or we can say executable block. Here our query is select salary into eSalary from EMP where employee number equals to EID. We want to find the salary of a particular person. The employee ID for that person we will enter through our PLSQL block, right? For that particular employee ID we want to find the salary of that employee. So that we can get with the help of select salary into eCell from EMP where employee number equals to EID. Now print the value of salary through dbms underscore output dot put line. Okay, end of find salary, end of this package. If you observe the selected code, it is nothing, it is a simple procedure which is enclosed between these two lines. Which two lines? Create or replace package body and end of this package, right? This is enclosed between these two lines, nothing else. Otherwise it is a normal procedure we have already learnt in our previous session somewhere. Okay, if you add function also, then in the same way you have to define a body for that function inside the package body, nothing else. When the above code is executed at the SQL prompt, it produces the following result: package body created. So let us create it. Create or replace package body. Here it is. Okay, package body created. Now next, using the package elements, how to use these elements in our package which are defined in this package, right? That we can use in PLSQL block. But how to call this package? The package elements, variables, procedure or functions, whatever defined inside this package, are accessed with the following syntax: package name dot element name, package name dot element name, right? Consider we already have created the above package in our database schema. The following program uses the find salary method of the employee salary package. Okay, so here declare code emp number percent type. We are declaring one variable with name code. The value for this variable we will fetch through the keyboard using ampersand symbol, right? Here you have to enter an employee number. Okay, for that we will find the salary using find salary function, okay, which is defined inside our package with name emp underscore salary. So it is very easy, as you always call the functions defined inside a class with the help of object of that class in your C++ subject, in your Java subject, right? In the same way here we have to call that procedure or function which are defined inside a package body with the help of a package name. As you can see, emp underscore salary is a name of package, dot find salary is a name of procedure which is declared and defined inside this package. The find salary package has a one parameter, right, that we have to pass from our PLSQL block. As you can see, code is passed as a parameter for this procedure. Okay, so let us execute this PLSQL block. Here package body is already created. Now execute this code, or simple PLSQL block, to call the elements of package. Enter a value for code 7900. Press enter and we got an output. Fine. When the above code is executed at the SQL prompt, it prompts for the employee number, where I have to replace the term customer with employee. And when you enter an ID, it displays the corresponding salary of that particular employee. Okay. Let us create one more package. Create a package to check that a record for an entered employee number does exist or not. If the record exists, then increase the existing salary with 500, and if record does not exist with specified number, then insert a new record into the employee table, right? So here you can see the declaration of one package. Create or replace package, check data. The name of package is check data, which has 3 elements. The first element is function, second element is a procedure, and again the third element is a procedure. As per your requirement, you can declare a number of functions or number of procedures inside the package, right? As per your need, you can declare a number of elements inside the package. Here for this particular example, we need one function and we need 2 procedure. Let us see the code of this function and procedures one by one. First of all, just focus on this function. Function name is fcheck. It has one parameter of type mode in number, which will return a number, right? Now let us observe the package body for this function. Create or replace package body, check data is. Now we will provide a body for this function. As you can see, function fcheck e number in number. This returns a number is no, variable name is no, number, and begin. Select employee number into no from employee, where employee number equals to e number. Return 1. In case if employee number does not exist, in that case we will return 0 with the help of no data found inbuilt system error, right? End of this function. If you observe this selected part, it is nothing, it is simple function which we have declared in previous session, right? It is a simple function defined inside the package body. Now let us focus on the second element of our package, that is procedure with name p insert, which has 3 variables of type in mode. Okay, now let us observe the body of this procedure, which is declared inside the package body. This is the last line of our function, right? Exactly below this line we are going to define a body for this procedure p insert, which has three variables as a parameter. Begin section, insert into employee number, e-name and salary. These three values we want to insert in EMP table. Values are ENO, NM and salary. End of this section, right? See, this is a body for our second element of this package. Now let us focus on the third element of package check data. Third one is procedure p update, right? If employee exists, then update his or her salary with the specified number. So let us see the body of p update. Exactly below the end of definition of this procedure, we will start writing the body for the procedure p update, which has only one parameter with name ENO and the mode is set to in, right? And the data type of this parameter is number. Under the begin title, we will update the employee table with the help of the query update EMP set a salary equals to salary plus 500, where employee number equals to ENO. That's it. End of begin section. End of check data. See, inside the body of check data package, what we have done, we have defined the body for all the elements which are declared in this package, right, in a continuous manner, right? That is in continuous manner. See, first the body for function, this is end of function, body for the procedure, end of this body, end of this procedure, and at last the body for the third procedure, end of this procedure, and finally end of our package. Okay, let us execute this code. First of all, we need to declare this package, right? Declaration part. Package is created, okay, which has three elements. Now we will create a body for our package. For that, select everything up to end of check data, even slash also. As you can see, we got the message package body created. It means the body for this package is also created. Okay, next thing is to call this procedure through call this package through a PL/SQL block. Let us learn how to call this package elements, right? That you can do with the help of PL/SQL block. What we have done up to now, we have created package declaration. Then in the second step, we created a package body. Now in the third step, how to call the elements which are declared and defined inside this package with the help of PL/SQL block, right? For that, we need one PL/SQL block. We'll initialize with the declare keyword. Under this heading, we will define our variables: code, result, for result res, nm for storing a name, then sal, this variable we will use for sending a salary to the procedure, right? So these four variables are required for executing this package. Then under the begin title, we will ask for a code from the keyboard. Whatever number you want to enter, that you can enter with the help of ampersand symbol, right? Then res is equals to, we have assigned or we have called fcheck function with the help of package name check data and with the help of dot operator. As you can see, this function has only one parameter, that is code. Now we'll check for the result, right? If result has a value 0, in that case we will call insert procedure, and in case if result has a 1 stored in it, in that case we will call update method. Okay, so if result equals to 0, in that case we have to insert a 1 record in employee table. Here the 0 means the table do not have a record with the number which we have entered through the keyboard, right? Now read the value of NM and read the value for salary that we will pass as a parameter to the procedure p insert check data dot p insert. Here I am sending the employee code, name and salary. Exactly opposite to this, if result has a value 1, then our control will go in a else part, check data dot p update. This procedure is called over here, check underscore data dot p update, and then we will pass a code as a parameter. Okay, end of if, as you can see, and then end of our PLSQL block. I repeat, here in the fcheck function, what we have done, we are checking for whether employee exists or not. Accordingly we will return a value for a number, right? Here in case employee exists, then return 1, and if no data found, in that case we will return 0. So whatever number we'll get through this function will be come in our result variable, right, in our PLSQL block. Accordingly we will take a decision. If employee does not exist with the number specified by us through the keyboard, then in that case we will enter that employee detail in our EMP table with the help of p insert procedure. As you can see, we have done insert into query in this procedure p insert, right? And if the employee exists with the same number, in that case we will just update the salary of that particular employee with the help of p underscore update procedure. As you can see, update query is done inside this procedure. Okay, that's it. Let us run this code. Select this code, Control C, go to your SQL window, paste it over here, enter a code for an employee. Here I am entering a number 560 which does not exist in EMP table. We all knows very well, right? This will ask for a name, like I am giving Piha, and the salary is 4600. Press enter. As you can see, PLSQL procedure successfully completed. How we can check this? Using select star from EMP where EMP number equals to 560, right? As you can see, this record is entered into the EMP table. Now let us execute the same code one more time. We have to just rerun this part only, PLSQL code only. Why is it so? As I told you in the previous session that The package body and package definition will be stored permanently in our database, same as procedure and function. So we have to just write that code only which is required for calling that procedure or function. Now I am entering 7900. This number is exist in EMP table, right? Press enter, enter a value for nm. This will ask every time for all the variables which we have covered with ampersand symbol, whether record exists, whether record not exist, right? So here I am giving a and the salary is 1200. Press enter. Here PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Now I'll fetch the record, select star from EMP where EMP NO equals to 7900. Okay, as you can see, salary is increased with 1200. Fine. So this is an important example for you for your practical exams, right? Most frequently the examiner asks for creating a package. So do the example 63 frequently. Do the practice of this example more than one time, right? And try to solve this procedure and function which are enclosed in this package. Okay. Now in the next session we will cover the remaining part of this unit, that is triggers, right? How you can create a trigger, that we will cover in the next session. Thank you.